Bowling is a sport where you throw some type of plastic ball or synthetic ball down a lane and try to knock down 10 pins each time that you throw it down.
Point it down, shoot it right in there.
Practice is basically open, where everyone's got 28 people on the team, and they're gonna bowl as I'm watching them and trying to correct any issues that they have during that time, and hopefully they're working together to help each other correct those issues so they can bowl better and progressively get better so that we can win state.
My approach would probably be, if I mess up, I just have to, there's no way for me to get that back, for one, so I can't worry about it. And I have to be able to recognize what I did wrong and try to correct that before I throw my ball again. I throw a 12-pound ball. It's a little heavier than what most people use. Most people use a 10, but I like 12 just because it gives me a little more punch.
I've been balling with this last three rounds. The first 3 rounds weren't great, but somebody want to come rub my belly? That's good.
Depending on if it's in season or conference or state, they're a little bit different. But basically, your team bowls 2 games during the season, and the best 5 bowlers will bowl what's called a Baker's match, and they bowl 1 through 5, frames 1 through 5, and then 6 through 10 in the same order. Each person bowls each one of those 5 bowls during that match, and they'll bowl 2 of those, and then it's just total pins compared to the other team.